Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Angie Rismawati from class 11 TJKTA. Here I will give a tutorial on how to clean cable. Let's see my tutorial. First of all, prepare the UTP kabel RJ45 connector, crimping pliers, and LAN tester. Step 1. After that, strip the UTP cable. Then did up and short the cable. Then insert the cable into the connector. After that, loop the cable with crimping pliers. Lastly, use a LAN tester to make sure the network connection is working properly. That away video tutorial from me. I apologize if there are